beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this amazing beans fufu recipe. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. So I'll be using brown beans for this. You can decide to use black eye beans, that will be totally fine. So I wouldn't be peeling the beans, and I'll wash these beans, stone it, and I'll transfer it into my blender. Next, I'll be adding in water. Please be careful not to add in much water so it can form very well. So I'm gonna blend this. So I soak the beans for about 2 hours. You can decide to do yours for 1 hour or 30 minutes according to your time. So I'm going to blend this till it is smooth and I'll transfer it right into my pan. I'm going to be stirring this on a low heat to avoid it from burning. Thank you, amazing people, for always coming back to watch me. Thank you for your support. I truly appreciate. For those that are coming for the first time, you are welcome here. Here we'll make amazing recipe that you will definitely love. Please stay connected and keep watching. So we're gonna stir this till it gets to your consistency. So as you can see, it's forming gradually. So you continue stirring. Please don't leave it alone so it wouldn't get burnt. Now I've gotten the consistency I am going for and I'm okay with this. Then I'm gonna stir it for a bit and I'll transfer it onto my cling film. So it is time for me to mold, and this is an amazing way to also incorporate beans into your menu. Okay, this was so good. You can also use beans flour for this and it will also turn out very well. All you need to do is add your hot water in the pot, turn in the flour, stir it until you get to your consistency. So I'm gonna be molding this now in my cling film. This came out so good. It came out so good. This is an amazing recipe. I'd love you to try. Will you try this? Let me know in the comment section. So this is what I got. Thank you, beautiful people, for watching. I'll see you in my next one. And from me is bye-bye.